Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the modern bordered non-slip indoor rug, a versatile addition to any home that effortlessly enhances your living spaces. This 5x7 area rug is perfect for the living room, kitchen, bedroom, or hallway, designed with a high-quality rubber backing to prevent slipping and ensure it stays firmly in place. Crafted from 100% polypropylene, its 0.3-inch thick pile is both stain-resistant and non-shedding, making it ideal for homes with kids and pets. Cleaning is a breeze with this durable rug. Simply use a damp cloth, vacuum cleaner, or detergent to keep it spotless. Whether you're looking to elevate your entryway or add a touch of elegance to high-traffic areas, this premium rug combines style with practicality. With years of experience in the industry, we've created a product that not only enriches your home but also offers peace of mind with its safety features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and product showcases. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.